Drama as Jackie B accuses Angel of stealing her shoes. Big Brother NAIJA housemate of season 6, Jackie B, has stylishly accused Angel Agnes Smith of stealing a pair of shoes after lending it to her for a tax. We recall that Jackie B has openly displayed a dislike for Angel as the whole drama started after Angel gave Michael, another housemate she is in an entanglement with, a head massage. She claimed that Angel does not respect boundaries and that she found her action quite disrespectful. Few hours ago, Jackie B was seen as she walked to the garden where Angel and White Money were discussing. Immediately Angel saw Jackie B, she told her that she can't remember where she had dropped the sneakers, but it should be somewhere around the house. Angel told her that she would look for it and give it back to her later. Angel gave Jackie B back her sneakers in the dressing room. Even Jackie B was holding the sneakers while walking out of the dressing room with Angel. Jackie B was later captured discussing with J. Paul as she insinuated that Angel stole her sneakers in their conversation. J. Paul said he doesn't like Angel.
It's dented, not only here, but
even
outside.
If I didn't want to talk at that time, the fact that she was making noise here and everybody's
Yes.
I don't talk calm down.
Before you know, all don't boast. She should be grateful to you.
They are talking about, oh, steal the house, steal the house. Please, what's that? I don't know. Maybe because I don't want to sound like I'm being funny, but that's not stealing. To carry someone's thing and go and hide it. If it's not even stealing, it's malicious.